The Minister for Communications in Ghana is really cooking for the average Ghanaians about the data prices here in Ghana. Okay, yesterday Sam George, the Minister for Communications, issued an official communique about the data prices to be reviewed on 1st July 2025, and it's going to take place on 1st July 2025. This is a good news, and kudos to Tech in Tree, who has been advocating for this for the average Ghanaians about how the data price in Ghana is going to be cheaper and also is going to be affordable for we the Ghanaians to buy them, because it was like MTN, AirtelTigo, Vodafone, they were like killing us with their data price, but thanks be to God and also through the help of Sam George and that of Tech in Tree, who has been a great advocate for this agenda. Price of data on MTN, AirtelTigo, Vodafone is going to be much cheaper as compared to the previous one. Okay, so starting with the MTN, at first 350 Ghana cedis will give you 92 gigabytes of data, non-expiry, but now there's a 15% increment in the price and a whooping increment of 132% in the data package. Okay, what this means is that at first, if you are having 350 Ghana cedis, you are going to get yourself 92 gigabytes of data, but now the price is no more 350 Ghana cedis, but rather 399 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 400 Ghana cedis. There's an increment in the price, and the data package has moved from 92 gigabytes of data to 214 gigabytes of data. Wow. That means an increment in the price, which is 15%, resulting in an increment in the data package, which is 132%. So from July 1st going, if you are having 399 Ghana cedis, you are going to get yourself 214 gigabytes of data on MTN. So with the breakdown, the 350 cedis for 92 gigabytes of data, that means per every gigabyte you are paying 3 cedis 80 pesos for it. Okay, but now that the price is 399 Ghana cedis for 214 gigabytes of data, that means per every gig you are going to pay 1 cedi 87 pesos per every gig. And the question that most of us are asking ourselves, that since they have revised this price on the huge package, is it going to affect the smaller package as well? So if there's an increment in the data package here, which is 132%, that means 1 Ghana cedi should worth 500 megabytes of data. 1 Ghana cedi should worth 500 megabytes of data. That is simple for the calculation. So is MTN going to do this for the smaller packages too, or is it going to affect only the 399 Ghana cedis package? That is the question that we are looking for on July 1st, that this change should also affect the smaller packages. Okay, so let's go to the AirtelTigo on. With the AirtelTigo, there's a 10% increment in the data bundle. Okay, so the 400 Ghana cedis, which is supposed to give you 195 gigabytes of data, effective July 1st, it is going to be 236 gigabytes of data for the same 400 Ghana cedis bundle. Okay, so that's for the AirtelTigo, and let's check the Telecel as well. Okay, so the Ghana Telecommunications Company, that's the Telecel, the 190 gigabytes of data, which is 400 Ghana cedis, is now going to worth 250 gigabytes of data, non-expiry. Okay, so this is a great news for we the average Ghanaians who purchase the data packages from these 3 major gigantic network operators in Ghana. So the question that I've been asking myself here is that these packages, though they are on the huge packages, okay, so is it going to affect the smaller packages? That is, if you want to buy 1 gigabyte of data on MTN, how much is it going to cost? Is it going to cost the previous price, or there's going to be a new price tag on it, because some judge made it clear that it affects all the data packages on all the networks here in Ghana. Okay, and also one thing that we are pleading the telcos about this new initiative is that we know sometimes we the customers, when we buy the data from you, at times our data consumption, sometimes we don't even understand how you guys deduct our data from our data consumption. Okay, so you can see you may buy a data package of, let's say, 10 gig, 50 gig, but within some short period you see that you have not used the data to download any huge file from the internet, but you see that your data will just vanish without you noticing anything. Okay, so this new initiative, we are pleading the telcos that you are agreed with the Minister for Communications, so make sure our data that we buy will be intact. Don't touch our data. Okay, don't touch it in such a way that our data will just vanish without knowing what we just even use the data for. Okay, that's one thing that we the average Ghanaians, we are pleading the telcos. Okay, two, these data packages, you are saying it is non-expiry. Okay, but per lot of research, when we buy these packages 3 months, then the package will just vanish. Okay, you can see you buy the 92 gigabytes for 350 Ghana cedis. After 3 months, even if you have some of the gigabytes left, you not see it again. Okay, that means the non-expired that they are talking about, the validity is 3 months. Okay, but let us consume our data and make sure we use it. Okay, we use them all. Don't just deduct the data from our airtime when 3 months is due. Okay, that's the second thing we are talking about. And also, please, MTN, AT, that's AirtelTigo and Telecel, we are pleading, let the network speed be fast. Let the network speed be fast. Okay, we don't want a situation whereby there is going to be a redundancy in the network. Okay, let the network be fast so that we can have a smooth browsing when using these telecommunications here in Ghana. Kudos to Sam George, kudos to Tech Entry, who has been the major advocate for this push or this agenda since day one. Here's the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop new video concerning giving out information about telecommunications, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share it with your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the Talk Tech, and you can as well check through the video description. The Telegram channel is there. Tap on it to join the Telegram channel, of which I give giveaways there and also some important updates on the internet there. Join us so that we also have a smooth accessibility of the internet at the online space. We shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.